we wouldn't have made it to my igloo. This should do it for now.
Excellent digging. It's nice and dry in here. Your coat's so awesomely warm.
The fleas think so too.
Fleas?
Gotcha!
Just what we need. Bears.
Bears? We don't get a lot of bears around here.
Yeah, hear that?
That's no bear. That's just my tummy. It gets kind of growly when I'm hungry.
I got just the thing. Granola bar.
Is it liver flavored?
No, just plain, granola.
Okay, thanks.